Yeah, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Rafi, and I'm back with another video, man. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a fake sneezing and a squirting out of a trash can prank. You feel me? You know how we rocking? We ended up having to go to Home Depot and Walmart to get a lot of content. We got a lot of good reaction, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure, if you guys laugh at this video, make sure you guys go down and hit that like button. While you're down there, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell button. Make sure you guys go do all that. Once you've done those three things, make sure you guys go comment done. I don't know who likes, I don't know who subscribes, I don't know who hits that bell button. So I'm going off what you guys tell me. If you guys tell me done, I'm gonna know 100%. I'm gonna know 100% that you guys did it. You feel me? Nah, but shout out to my boy Fernando for recording. You guys been seeing the quality's been getting better. Shout out to my boy Raylan. He did a couple of videos with us too, and he was pushing me around while I was in the trash can. But nah, I'll put their descriptions in the bio, and make sure you guys stay tuned if you guys want to laugh.
I honestly think you did it on purpose, man. Seriously. So you think I would
felt that too, right? Yeah. Yo, it's been falling on me this whole time. Look.
Yeah, we just felt it.
Definitely some big teeth. Bro, this shit that has been happening to me all day. You've seen it, man. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope it made you laugh. And remember, if it made you laugh, go hit that like button. Come on, man. Come on. Nah, but today's post notification shout out goes to Keyboard Warrior. Shout out to you, my boy. You've been showing me love, telling me some good things in the comments. To get a post notification shout out, all you gotta do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button, and then all you gotta do is comment done. Comment done, because like I told you guys earlier, I don't know who does all that, you feel me? So I'm going off what you guys tell me. Nah, but I hope everybody enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any ideas for any videos, make sure you guys go down in the comments and tell me, or DM me on my social medias in my bio. So you guys just let me know what you guys want to see, you feel me? Nah, but stay tuned for the next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. Deuce.